I'm Mike Moats. I'm a macro photographer and a Vanguard Pro. My images and articles have been published in many photo magazines, including Outdoor Photographer, Nature's Best, and Nature Photographer magazine. Living in Michigan, where I live north of Detroit, I don't have a lot of landscape, so I wanted to be able to shoot on a regular basis, and I found that macro provided unlimited subjects. I have local parks where I can go shoot at, which provides unique subject matter throughout 4 seasons. So every month I can go to the same locations and find new things because the life cycle of the plants is constantly changing. When I'm photographing my subjects, I'm trying to create art rather than document a subject. So I try to search out interesting patterns, designs, and I tend to crop in a little tight sometimes to pull out those interesting features. I enjoy focusing on the intimate details of a subject, what I tend to call tiny landscapes. With the high magnification that I shoot, it's essential that the camera stays perfectly steady. And a tripod will provide that. I get told all the time when people view my images that these are subjects that they probably walk by when they're out on a hike, but they just never notice them. Hopefully my macro lens allows people to view the world a little differently. ALTA Pro 2, always like never before.